you are not able to work. And so you want to get Social Security disability. Be prepared. It is going to be an uphill slog. It is very difficult. It gets worse every year. And I'm going to help you through it. Just stay tuned till the end, and I will give you some advice that will help you get on Social Security disability. First of all, Social Security disability is Social Security. So a lot of people will have that first misconception. You have to pay in to get out. So if you've never worked and you've never paid in, then you're either not going to be eligible, even if you are disabled, or you're not going to get very much money. So there are people that do qualify for Social Security disability in their 30s, but they don't get very much money. And then they're mad and like, how can I get more? Okay, this is a reflection of your work history and how much you paid in. So let's say you're the average person that says, I'm thinking about applying for disability. Where do I start? Well, friends will tell you that you can just go to Social Security's website and get the forms and do it yourself. Don't do that. There's always people that will tell you they did it and it was easy and boom, boom, boom. They are by far the minority. Over 99% of people that apply get declined on their first try. It's something like 95% of people get declined on their second try. I mean, it's outrageous. So the government's doing this on purpose because they think that too many people are trying to get in and they only have so much money in the disability trust fund, so they have some brakes on it. So your best chance to get approved for Social Security disability is not to do it on your own, even though theoretically you could. Your best bet is to hire one of these agencies, which I don't work with any and I can't tell you any names, but there's a bunch of them, and that all they do is help people get approved for Social Security disability. So you can find them or find an attorney local to you that's what he or she specializes in. They should not ask you for a retainer fee, for any money up front. If they know what they're doing and they accept your case, they are willing to get paid on the back end. Once you get accepted, they can get paid directly from the Social Security and out of your back pay up to a maximum of 25% or $6,000. So that's their equation. That's why they're going to do it for you. They take a lot of cases and hope they get a bunch of them through, and they know it takes 2 years, but they can get up to $6,000. Key thing is don't hire somebody that wants you to pay them up front. There is no need. They specialize in this, so they can tell you based on what disability you have, how likely you are to get it. So if you have Lou Gehrig's disease, late-stage cancer, blindness, you're on kidney dialysis, there's certain things that are fast-tracked. Most things are not fast-tracked. And people are always saying, I have MS, can I get it? Or I have spinal fusion, can I get it? I have this, can I get it? Maybe, go through the process. It's a long, hard process. And you might have to appeal several times to get through it. Expect it to take at least 2 years, unless you have one of those fast-tracked illnesses that do get through quicker. So hire the attorney, don't pay him up front. Have realistic expectations that it's going to take you a long time. Now, you've been approved for disability and you're getting your check and you're like, well, I'm only getting $700 a month. It helps, but I'm going to have to work. I can't live on $700 a month. What? So you start working a little bit part-time. Well, the whole premise that you got Social Security disability is that you cannot work. To get Social Security disability, they don't look at your assets. I could live in a mansion. I can have a huge stock portfolio. My husband's a millionaire. I drive a Maserati. They don't look at any of your assets. They only look at your ability to work. So if I can work, if this 700 is not enough and I can work, then it means I'm probably going to lose my disability. You can work and earn a very little amount. And if you want to know that amount for 2022 or whatever year you're watching this video, look in the description down below of this video, and I'll have the cheat sheet attached there to show you how much you can earn each month on disability. And please don't go over that. Now, your husband can earn as much as he wants. That won't impact you, even though you file your taxes jointly. It's just your ability to work. So now you're getting ready to turn your full retirement age, which is going to be between 66 and 67. What happens? Do you have to call Social Security and have them switch you from disability to retirement? Nope. It'll happen automatically. And when they do, your payment, the $700 that you were waiting for this payment to go up, won't go up at all. No, it's going to be the same. It's just the money that they take to pay you. They were paying you out of the disability trust fund. Now they're going to pay you out of the retirement trust fund. It's just how the government bookkeeps this on the back end. It doesn't impact you. The good news is when you do reach your full retirement age between 66 and 67, now you can work. You can work and earn as much as you want for the rest of your life. So that is good. Also, when you're on disability, they can be giving you a review every year to make sure that you, in fact, are still unable to work. That review will cease when you reach your full retirement age. The big thing people want to know is how much more am I going to get? Because I can't live on the $700. You're not going to get more because it was based on your work history, and your retirement is also based on your work history. So you're going to get the same amount. If you have questions about Social Security disability, about Medicare insurance plans, you want help with retirement, call us at the Medicare Family. Let my family help your family make these very complex, frustrating decisions a little bit more enjoyable. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.